Here we are touring the Carlsbad Flower Market. Let's look at some of the things I like. I like this. All the different colored yarrows. Beautiful. I like these, the different colors of Scabiosa. Look at that. Wouldn't you love these in your house? How do you get them? You joined me in school. Let's see what else. I love, those are pretty. I love the hanging amaranthus for my event work. Goodbye, amaranthus. I love the various fillers here at the Carlsbad Flower Market. What else do I love? Oh, I love kale. Fresh kale for my arrangements. I love Queen Anne's lace. This is called chocolate Queen Anne's lace. Very pretty. I love all the greens. I love wax flower. I'm using it today in class. I love limonium. What else do I love? Oh, I love these, giant protea. In fact, I've never quite seen that variety before. Yummy. I love cymbidiums. Bridal work, corsages, multiple colors. Let's go. Oh, love hypericum berries. I use it a lot. Pretty, pretty. Back through these proteas. Here's in the cooler. I love it all. Buckets and buckets and buckets as far as you can see. All the nice foliages. More kale. $7. There you go, your tour of Holland Flower Market in Carlsbad. These are all sold for weddings. If you want to tour the market for free, just join Beanies. Join us in class, Flower School 101. Sampler class, 3 big designs in 1 day. Intro, 7 to 8 classes in 2 days, plus your free tour of the market. Design Star, 1 full week, 20-some different projects. By the end of the week, you'll have conquered the art of design, I guarantee it. Michael Gaffney saying, join us in class, best school there is. I hear it all the time. Flower School 101.com. See you in class.